Welcome back. Let me share the screen. Okay. So we already discussed about types of emails and what exactly is the marketing and types of emails and everything, right? So now in this video, I will show you about one of the email marketing tool. So when I used to work on MailChimp, there are many email marketing tools, but my favorite is GMass. But previously in 2017 and 18, I worked on MailChimp. MailChimp is also one of the very famous and very good email marketing tool. So when I worked for one of the educational organization, it was with 128 schools all over in India and with 8,000 employees. So we worked on email marketing using MailChimp there. But now, a few years back, when I explored about GMass and I heard a lot about GMass, I started working on GMass, right? So yeah, from past 6 or 7 months, I'm not working on any email marketing. I worked for one of the uh, this uh, construction company, real estate company. So I worked on email marketing. I helped them in email marketing also. That was a few 8 9 months back. At that time, I tried GMass and I really like this GMass very much. And even the cost is also very, very less. I think it's 1,000 per month. So whenever you want to do email marketing, you can take subscription for 1 month and you can use email marketing and do the email marketing, and later you can cancel the subscription also. We can connect this GMass to your Gmail and you will get all the insights in the Gmail itself, right? So first thing is we need to download that GMass extension to the Chrome, GMass Chrome extension, okay? 3 slides, I will show you the PPT and then I will show you in my email. Okay. So the first thing is 1 minute. Yeah. So go to Google, type GMass extension. This is a GMass extension. Okay. So you will see this one, GMass powerful email merge for Gmail, right? So I have already added this GMass to my email ID. So it is just showing remove from Chrome, right? So, but here you will see add to the Chrome extension. Then click on here. Okay. Click on this add to Chrome extension and then it will ask you to add to your email ID. I have already added to my email ID. Yeah, here, GMass. Yeah. So, 1 minute. I have already added to my Gmail ID. So, I can't show you how to. Yeah. So, once you download the Chrome extension, it will ask you to add your email ID. Okay. After you add email ID also, when you want to send the email, so again you need to connect your email ID. Okay. You will be having, generally people will be having 2 to 3 Gmail IDs, right? So you need to connect to from which email ID you want to do the email marketing. You need to connect this GMass to that email ID. Okay. So twice it will ask. Okay. Once you connect this email ID, the first thing you should do is you should create an Excel in your Google Drive, to which email ID you have connected the GMass to that. In that Gmail ID, in that G Drive, Google Drive, you need to create an Excel sheet and you add all the email IDs. Okay. You will be having some 1,000 email IDs or 2,000 email IDs, whatever it may be. Add all the email IDs, give the name and whatever the details you want, give all those details. I will show you. 1 minute. Okay. So this is the email ID to which this email ID I have collected the GMass. When you collect the GMass, you will see all these options. Okay. This is the Excel sheet. When you want to send the emails, you need to connect to the Excel sheet, right? So this is the Gmail. Once you send the emails, once you design the campaign email marketing, you will see all the insights here, right? So auto follow, when you do the follow email ID, you will see that one here. And how many people has opened after the campaign, Okay, how many people has exactly opened that email, that number also you will see. And how many people didn't open the email, that number and everything you will see. Okay. For example, if you want to send, if you want to do GMass, if you want to do email marketing for 1,000 emails, first thing is you need to draft the mail. Click on compose. That's what you will do. If you want to send any email, the first thing you will do is you will set the you will click on the compose, right? So this is the compose. Now here it is the receipt text. In this place, generally what you will do, if you want to send email, you will write all the email IDs, okay? Or if you are going to send to 10 email IDs, you will write all the, you will enter all the email IDs either in CC or in the BCC, right? Now you are going to send to 1,000 email IDs, for example. Then what you should do is, in your G drive, okay, create a sheet. Okay, here I have already created a sheet, okay, for my students. Okay, these are all the students. Just name, their email ID, and the batch. Or if you want to add some other details like mm, 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 okay, marks, some marks, okay, some out of 50, 60, 70, 30, 45, 96, 68, 74, 85, 46, some 89, 75, okay, 76, and 85. Okay, some random, and I am going to send the marks. I have 1,000 students or 2,000 students, and I am going to send the marks to them. For example, just assume that one, right? So first, you should create the sheet, Excel sheet. Okay, serial number, student name, student email ID, badge, marks, whatever it may be. You should not, no need to create exactly in this format. If you want to create in some other columns, whatever the columns you want to create, just be ready with those columns. Okay, and then open Gmail ID. Okay, here you need to connect that sheet. Okay, you are already ready with the sheet, right? So click on compose, and after clicking on compose, this is the sheet. Here you are going to connect the Excel sheet. Okay, click here. Okay, it will show all these options. I generally use only this from Google Sheet. Okay, or from another campaign. If you have already created one more created campaign, from that campaign, what all the emails you have, you can connect from that or from a list. Okay, so now I have already listed everything in the Google Sheet. Click here. Okay. Wait. Again, you need to connect to the spreadsheet. First, you need to select this spreadsheet. Which sheet you want to collect to this email. Okay. Click here. Now, the name of that sheet is student emails. Okay. I'm just for example, these are all the, not the real email IDs. Okay. Student emails. Okay. Now, I have connected that sheet to this mail. Okay. And here it is showing two options. Okay. Keep duplicate email IDs. If in that sheet, if I have mentioned any email twice or thrice, what is the meaning sending the same email to the same mail thrice or twice, right? It will be like a spam. Okay. So at that time, just uncheck this. If you check this one, if there are any duplicate IDs, it will send to that one also. It will be send this email to that email also twice or twice, right? Just uncheck. So it will not keep the duplicate email IDs. Okay. Update sheet with reporting data. Okay. Once after you have sent this email, so you will see all the details here. How many people, if this person has opened that mail, you will get one tick. If this person didn't open, you will get into mark. So all the insights you will get here itself in the sheet itself, right? So now it is not a paid version. So I can't show you. So once I purchase this one, again, I will make one more video. Okay. So here, connect to the spreadsheet. I am in this video, I'm just showing the process. Okay. So now subject, you need to write the subject. So this email is just, I want to send this case studies of digital marketing. I have already made this video. Okay. I think this was the sixth video I made. Okay. Some of the best digital marketing case studies. Okay. So Zomato and Mama Earth, Favicol. Okay. So I want to send these details to all those email IDs. Okay. So now this will be like digital marketing case study. Some subject you need to give. Okay. Digital marketing. Okay. So here, now you draft the mail. If you are ready with the mail, just copy and paste. Dear, generally what we will do, I am sending this mail to the 1,000 people. So it should be like a dear student or a dear patron or dear customer or something I will send. Okay. I don't want to send like that. I want to send a customized, personalized email. Okay. So what I want, I have already connected. Here I have connected that sheet, right? So what I will do here is flower bracket. When you give the flower bracket, it will show all the columns in that sheet. Whatever the sheet you have connected to this mail, it will show all the columns. Okay. I will write student name. So first column, first it will be sent to the first column student. Second, it will be sent to the second column student. Third, it will be sent to the third column student. Okay. To the next, to the respective email ID. Okay. So it will select here, it will select Jyoti, and this is a dear Jyoti, and it will be sent to this email ID. Okay. So it will take that the name. Okay. And then, and then we are happy to announce your announce that you have secured, again flower bracket, secure some marks. Okay. Marks automatically will select marks. Okay. Marks in your okay. So some attached few case, that is not relevant to this thing. Okay. Something I have mentioned. Okay. So once you have given this one, now this is the GMass. Okay. If you click here, it will be like click on send. This is the ordinary, normal email. Okay. This is the GMass. Okay. Click here. Okay. So here you will see three options. Email analyzer. Okay. This is for the paid version. When you click on email analyzer, so it will check all the 1,000 emails, whatever how many emails are there in that sheet. It will analyze all the email IDs. It will check for the wrong email IDs. For example, by mistake, many times we will enter the email ID xyz at the rate of gmail dot, instead of com, we may enter co at the rate of gmail.co. It is a wrong email ID. Okay. Even if we send the mail also, it will be bounced. Okay. So it will check for all the wrong email IDs. If there are any wrong email IDs, it will inform us. Okay. So that we can delete those email IDs or we can correct those email IDs. And next one is the link checker. So this is our email ID. This is our mail. We have already drafted this mail. If there are any links, okay, it will check for that links, for the, any spam or for any links. Now there are zero links. Okay. So there are zero links. We will we will enter some links and we will check 1 minute. Okay. JJ Digital Marketing.in. Okay. So this is my website. So now I will check for the links. Okay. Link checker. Okay. It is not taking for the link. Any link. Okay. It is not a paid. Maybe it is not giving properly. So it will check. If it is a paid version, you will get all the details. Okay. So Digital market. It is not taking as a link actually. It is not taking as a link. If it takes as a link, and we can check. I would have showed that one. Okay, fine. Next one is a spam solver. Okay, so what it will do is, if you click on this, okay, now because it is not the paid version, we can't get the correct things. It will check like if this mail goes to the spam folder or it goes directly to the inbox of your customer. Okay, so here itself, it will analyze and they will give you all the suggestions. If there are any chances that if it goes to the spam folder, it will show you where exactly you did the wrong, what you should delete and what you should change. Everything it will tell. As per that, you can make the changes. If it is everything is correct, and it will say it will go to the inbox. Okay. Based on this, you can make changes. Okay. Generally, if we get any mails, even important mails also, generally we won't check our spam mails. Okay, direct, just if it is me, I will just select all the spam mails and I will delete. Most of the people will do like that only. They won't check the spam folder, right? If your email goes to the person's spam folder, 90% chances are there that he or she will delete that email, right? So it should not go to the spam folder, it should go to the inbox. So that this option I like very much in this GMass, right? So it will tell and it will guide you. Okay, this is one of the option. And one more thing, if you want to, in previous video, we discussed about promotional emails, and transactional emails, newsletters, and drip emails. Okay, follow-up emails. If you want to do any follow-up emails, see like this. After you have sent this email, if you want to follow up, if no reply, if you didn't get any reply from that mail, it will wait for, here we are giving 2 days time. You can increase or decrease the time, days also. If you want, you can increase 3, or if you want, you can decrease it to 1. Okay. So it will wait. I will make it as 2. It will wait for 2 days. And if you didn't get any reply, you can send a message. You can draft a message and it will be sent to that person. You no need to open after 2 days, no need to open your email and you check whether that person has replied you or not. If not replied, if you didn't get any reply, and now they at that time you should type, draft the mail and send it to that person, that work will be reduced. Automatically, it will be done by the GMass. Okay, you can draft the message here. Dear and flower. Okay. So whoever didn't replied to your mail, it will be sent to that one. Again, second follow up also you can do. Okay. Stage 2. If that person didn't reply even after 5 days also, again you can send one more email to that person. Okay, how many times you want to do the follow-up, that many times you can do from here. Okay, so this is also one of the beautiful option. And even third stage, if you want, after 8 days or 9 days or 10 days, again if you want to send a reminder mail, you can use this. One use case is, for example, you need a payment from any of the client. Okay, you can send the reminder mails or anything. Okay, so newsletters or promotional emails or anything, discount. Okay, so now the discount is 10%. After 2 days, you can say the discount is still there. You can avail that discount. Karke. Some reminder email IDs you can send. Okay, this is also one of the beautiful option. Okay, so fourth stage, it is asking, it is saying fourth stage also. And now schedule. After you have drafted this mail, if you want to send that mail now itself, you can send that mail now. If you want to send that email after 5 minutes, you can select that one and select the date, say 5 minutes. Okay, if not 5 minutes, if you want to select on 14th or any other time, any other date and the timings and everything you can select and you can click on OK. Okay. After you have set everything, and click on GMass. After you have set everything, please. I'm unable to see the topmost buttons actually. It is blocking. I think it is the guide. Send. If you click on send all stages, it will be sent automatically. I don't want to do that. Okay. After you have set everything, click on GMass. Okay. And it will be sent automatically. Yeah. So now my free subscription has been expired. So it is not showing anything. Okay. See what I have sent. My previous campaigns you can send. What I have sent, it will show here all the email IDs. The test campaign only I have sent and I didn't use that one. So if I purchase again, then so this is all the previous. This I have sent in 2024. Okay. So it was showing the previous campaign. So once you purchase that one, then you can be able to avail all these options. Okay. This is a beautiful tool. So for email marketing, you can use this one or any other tool. It will be almost same like that. One or two features, it will you will get little bit different from one tool to another tool. Okay. So hope you understand. Thank you.